Hiya guys, just thought I'd have a little ride to the train station and head over to Blackpool with my drone. Here we are on the train, a bit of fast forward, get there super duper fast. It's actually 1 hour 45 minutes, but here goes. Right, arrived at Blackpool, let's go for a ride. All started off well, active track, we're working nice all the way down here. Some nice views. I don't know how to stop the swaying of the drone when you're doing like a slalom like that. Try to get it in a straight line. That's how it comes out with active track if you're swaying about. Now the problem I had when we were going down here, all started off well, is the seagulls. They see a little drone type bird and they decide to dive bomb it. So with my previous episode of getting it stuck up a tree, I was a bit reluctant to carry on flying it, to be honest. So I got so far down. You'll see in the shadows in a minute. Just nice and leisurely, going down the front of the pier, well, towards the pier. You can see the shadows now of the seagulls on the floor if you look carefully. One just went past there. Just keep an eye out on the floor and you'll see the shadows of the seagulls ready to attack my drone. There's one shadow, look, it's going for the drone. He must have called his mates in a seagully voice and said, come check this little bird out. There we go, look. Can't really see him on the screen, so when I look behind I can see him trying to attack my drone. Lovely and calm going down there. Lovely and peaceful beside the sea. Oh, it's a shadow on this big bird. Coming up soon. Nice and peaceful. What could spoil this lovely day? Here they come. See the shadows now. I look behind and see him try to attack my drone, so I stop. And while I stop, you can see the shadows. Look. Look at them all attacking my drone. Bloody. I'll tell you here what they are. Right, guys. Or risk it out else.
Trying to bomb my drone.
Subscribe and like.